Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen numericals on convection. So in this lecture we will learn what is radiation, how the heat transfer takes place in radiation. There are different laws of radiation and one of them is Stefan Boltzmann law. The statement of Stefan Boltzmann law is the emissive power of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Okay, that is nothing but that is the statement of Stefan Boltzmann constant, and we will write here the Stefan Boltzmann law. Stefan Boltzmann law. Dear friends, the statement of Stefan Boltzmann law, this law states that the emissivity of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. This law states that the emissive power of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of its absolute temperature. Dear friend, this is the statements of Stefan Boltzmann law. Okay, and according to that you can give, if this is the one black body having temperature T1. Okay, first body and it is transferring heat Q towards this second body having temperature T2. The heat is transferring from body first to body second, and that rate of heat transfer is given by Stefan Boltzmann law, and that rate of heat transfer Q is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Dear friends, if you want to remove this directly proportionally sign, you have to give some constant, and that constant is nothing but Q equals to F sigma A. First body temperature T1 raised to power 4 minus T2 raised to power 4. Okay, and what are the parameters? Okay, all these parameters, whereas Q rate of heat transfer in watt. Okay, this F is factor which depend on surface properties. surface properties and dimensions. Okay, then this sigma is Stefan Boltzmann constant. Dear friends, and the value of Stefan Boltzmann constant is 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Okay, 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8 watt per meter square temperature raised to power 4th. Watt per meter square temperature raised to power 4. Okay, or Kelvin raised to power 4. Okay, and after that this A is surface area. A is surface area in meter square. Okay, and T1 and T2. T1 and T2 are temperatures in degree Kelvin. Temperatures in degree Kelvin. Friends, this rate of heat transfer in radiation is also given as T1 minus T2 divided by 1 by F sigma A T1 minus T2 into T1 square minus T2 square. Okay, this will be given in this way also. Friends, when the temperature, okay, body having T1 temperature and it is flowing, okay, heat is flowing from the body having temperature T1 to T2 temperature. Okay, that is heat is flowing is Q. Okay, there is some resistance, okay, which is given by RTH rad. Okay, this is your thermal resistance RTH and radiation. Okay, RTH rad for resistance in radiation. And dear friend, that radiation RTH thermal resistance in radiation is given by 1 by F sigma A into T1 minus T2 into T1 square minus T1 square plus T2 square. Okay, you have to given, okay, here it's plus and plus. Okay, this is the resistance which is given, okay, which is produced when the heat is transferring from a body having temperature T1 to body having temperature T2. Okay, wherever there is flow of heat or if there is the flow of electric current, a resistance should be there, resistance must be there. Okay, then that resistance is depend on the conductivity of material. The material having higher conductivity, resistance should be low. The material having low conductivity, it is having high resistance. Means they are reciprocal to conductance and resistance are reciprocal to each other. And the friends, you should know this factor value. F is the factor value. F equals to 1 if or for black body covered by other body, and F equals to emissivity if for non-black body covered by other body. Dear friends, you should know what we have learned. We have learned the heat transfer by radiation, that is given by Stefan-Boltzmann law. The statement of Stefan-Boltzmann law is the rate of heat transfer in a radiation is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature, or the emissivity of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Okay, and after that you have to keep in mind the constant. Okay, Stefan-Boltzmann constant and its value 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Okay, watt per meter square degree Kelvin raised to power 4. And you have to keep these factors. Okay, if the value of F is 1 if the black body is covered by other body, and value of F equals to emissivity. Okay, whatever may be the value of emissivity given in numerical statement, okay, that you have to use. Thank you.